donut, 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 donut. Oh yeah, yummy, yummy. Yep, that's the good stuff right there. All right. Okay, what we have here is my buddy, Troy Polamalu. What do you got?
I'm gonna do my first deep biscuitizing. and why am I doing this? Cause I want to. And my dad Todd, he left us one, and he left for Cabo on Friday. But he left us a big donkey biscuit floating in the toilet.
What's today?
And today is Monday, so it's been in there for 3 or 4 days. And I'm about to de-biscuitize this and do what was supposed to be done a long time ago.
All right.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go. Get in there.
Keep your mouth closed. Don't breathe through your nose.
Get in that bad boy. Stick it down in there.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, so you got to get a good seal around the bottom. Nice and slow. Don't want to splash it. You got the appropriate shape. Push down. Okay, now you want to work it up and down like you did in the garage. Push down all the way. No, keep it underwater. Push down hard. Okay, pull up slowly. Do it again.
Don't splash.
Okay, pull up.
Keep your mouth closed.
Do it again. Oops, do it again. How's that biscuit tasting?
It's so good.
All right, give it a flush, see what happens.
My dad is the only reason I'm
Leave it
doing
in the
this.
toilet. Don't get that crap all over the place. Give it a flush, see what happens. Pull the biscuitizer out. Pull the biscuitizer out. You gotta let it go somewhere. Give it a pump. Give it a pump. Oh yeah, we're backed up. Maybe we need a trained professional here.
All right. Show you how to work this bad boy. I'm working it like a hooker on Burnside.
All right, damage is done.